Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss value based questions and brain teaser of chapter linear equation class 6 mathematics DAV Public School. So let's start the session. I already completed all the worksheet solution. If you not see the session, then you can see by click on I button or go to playlist. Okay. So now start. In a school, out of 250 students of class VI, X student visited an old age home. They entertained them with dance and music. They discussed about the families and the children, helped them in cleaning the cupboards, but 75 children refused to visit. So total number of students is 250. How many students refuse to visit? That is 75. So simply we minus 250 minus 75, that is 5. Here is 4. 14, 7, 1. Means there are the 175 students who visited the old age home. Okay. Now what value is shown by those students? Then this is homework. You can write helpfulness. Okay. Now during an earthquake, X students from class VI donated 25 each. 25 each means one student give 25 rupees. Then how many students? X student. The total value is 25x. Yes or no? 25 into x, that is 25x. And 25 students from class V donated 50 each. Means class V one student donated 50. Then how many students? 25. So plus 25 into 50. Any doubt? Find the number of students of VI who donated. Equal to total money equal to 2000. Understand? Now we can write 25x plus 25 5 ja 125 0 equal to 2000. Now 25x equal to 2000 minus 1250. Now subtract, because here addition achi, the right side go minus heijibo. Now 50 927, here is 0. Now x equal to 750 divided by 25. 25 3 ja 0, so 30. So there are 30 students of class VI. Okay. Now next, brain teaser. Brain teasers. Now solve. Take the correct answer. 12 less. So minus 12. So from this we can write minus 12. Check where is minus 12. Option number IV. 12 less than 4 times 4x minus 12 equal to 20. Option number IV. Which of the following equation has 3x equal to 3 as the solution? Means put the value and check LHS and RHS. If you put in place x, the value x equal to 3, then 3 minus 1 how much? 1. 1 equal to 5? No. So this option to kebe habani. Next, if you put 3, so 3 plus 2 5. Yes. So option number 2 is the correct answer. All of you clear? Next, the linear equation for 2 more than means plus 2. Check out plus 2. So option number 3. Next, which of the following is equation of the given sentence? Okay. Anjali is 5 years older, means A is mane equal to 5 years older means plus 5, that is N. So check out option number IV. Clear? Next, which of the following equation does not have the solution and integer? So first tell me what is integer. Integer means plus minus 1 plus minus 2 or positive negative with 0 is called integer. So first solve this. So x plus 1 equal to 1. So x equal to how much? Now minus 1 jodi both side re cancel heijibo ba ei jo plus 1 right side gole minus 1 heijibo. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. 0 is a integer. Yes. Because amuku find out karibar ache not integer. x minus 1 equal to 3. So we can write x equal to 3 minus 1, sorry 3 plus 1, that is 4. X equal to 4. 4 is an integer, yes. Now 2x plus 1 equal to 6. So we can write 2x equal to 6 minus 1. So 2x equal to 5. So x equal to multiply means divide that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is an integer? No, because it is a fraction or rational number. So option number 3rd is the correct answer. Last one भी check कर दियो. So minus x equal to 5 minus 1 because it is plus होती सब गले minus. So minus x equal to 4, x equal to minus 4. So minus 4 is a also integer. All of you clear? Now next. Answer the following question. X plus 5 equal to 7. So first find the value of x. X plus 5 equal to 7. So x equal to 7 minus 5. X equal to 2. Or you can solve x plus 5 equal to 7. X plus 5 minus 5 equal to 7 minus 5. So x 5 cancel, that is 2. Now put the value. So equal to 2 into x equal to 2 minus 3. 2 2 ja 4 minus 3, that is 1. Clear? Next. Question number B. 5x plus 5 equal to minus 40. So we can write 5x plus 5 minus 5 equal to minus 40 minus 5. Or you can plus 5 right side minus 5 page. Okay. So it I cancel, that is 5x equal to minus 45 because same sign. So x equal to 5x divided by 5 equal to minus 45 by 5. So x equal to 5 cancel, that is minus 9. Clear? Next. See number 0.5y equal to 1.5. How to solve? Now first 0.5 will be divided both sides, equal to 1.5 divided by 0.5. Now 0.5 cancel, y equal to 1.5 we can write 15 by 10 and 0.5 we can write 5 by 10. Now two fractions are not divided, so it is converted into multiply. So 15 by 10 equal to, it will be reciprocal or reverse, that is 10 by 5. So 5 3 ja 10 cancel, so y value equal to 3. Clear? Next. Check p equal to 4 is the solution of this. So check means only write the LHS. So write LHS equal to 1 by 2 p plus 3. So put the value, that is 1 by 2 p equal to 4 plus 3 equal to 1 by 2 into 7, that is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is the RHS? No. So that is not equal to RHS. So therefore you can write p is equal to 4 is not solution of 1 by 2 p plus 3 equal to 7. Clear? Next. Next E number. X plus 2.4 by 2 equal to 3. Now first we multiply both sides by 2, then 2 will be cancelled. So x plus 2.4 divided by 2 into 2 equal to 3 into 2. So 2 cancel. So x plus 2.4 equal to 6. So x plus 2.4 minus 2.4, then it will be cancelled, equal to 6 minus 2.4. So x equal to, so 6 means 6.0 we can write, then 2.4, that is 3.6. So answer is 3.6. Okay, now write any 5 linear equation. Same, we can write x plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 5 equal to 2, 2x plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, then x plus 1 equal to 7, x 1 minus x equal to 3. Any 5 you can write linear equation. Which side of the following is binomial? The first one is left side. Binomial means 2 term, 1 term, second term, 2 term, that is LHS. Same question, second number be LHS, binomial. and third number also LHS binomial. Clear? Next. Convert into linear equation. 3i's means 3, a number that is x, either you can take p, either you can take a, any number, any letter. So 3x, decrease mane minus kete na 5, is mane equal to 9. Understand? Next. A number multiply by 2, suppose number को तुम x नहीं जाओ नले y भी नहीं जाओ, so multiply कर दियो 2 तो 2x हेगला मन रखिबो x2 and 2x एमिति केबे लेखा होबेनी बिकॉज़ आगो नंबर लेखा हुए देन वेरिएबल. ओके, सो 2x इक्वल टू बिकॉज़ इज लेखा अछि तो इक्वल टू देन 3 मोर देन सो प्लस 3 itself माने को नंबर नहीं जामे x, so answer is 2x equal to x plus 3. Next, 2i's means 2, a number that is x subtracted from 13, तो आगो लिखिबा 13 minus 2x is माने equal to 5. 1/9 1/9 of a number that is x added to 1 that is 1 is माने equal to 11. Understand? Now next, solve. First a number 4x minus 3 2x plus 1, first we shifted, that is 4x minus 2x, when we shifted the sign will be changes, right side is 1, 3 will be plus 3. Now solve. 4 minus 2 that is 2x equal to 4. Now 2x by 2 equal to 4 by 2, then 2 cancel, so x equal to 2. Similarly b number 2x minus 5 equal to 10. First we divide, so divided by 2 both side, so 2 cancel, x minus 5 equal to 5, then added 5, then 5 cancel, also we added right side that is plus 5, so x equal to 10. So now see number x plus 8 by 2, when we multiply 2 then it will be cancelled, yes or no, equal to 4 into 2, x plus 8 equal to 8, so now 8 will be minus, then it will be cancel x, it will be 0. Clear? Next, 0.5x equal to 25, 0.5x by 0.5 equal to 25 by 0.5, so 0.5 cancel, x equal to 25 by, when we convert into fraction it will be 5 by 10. Now 25 into 10 by 5, 5 2 ja 25 2 ja 50. Okay, now question number 6 is very important. Solve the questions and check the solution. First we can write 1 minus 4x minus 1 equal to minus 11 minus 1, because when we minus 1 then 1 and 1 cancel, so left side is minus 4x equal to minus 12. Now minus 4 will be divide both side, now it will be x cancel and minus 3 plus 3. Now check. First write LHS, 1 minus 4x, 1 minus 4 into 3, 1 minus 12 that is minus 11 equal to RHS. Same solve kariba b number, y plus 3 by 2, when we minus 3 by 2 then it will be cancelled, yes or no. Now right side bhi karo minus 3 by 2. Now y equal to dita fraction kemti solve kariba na LCM method re, so LCM is 2 1 2 ja 2 5 ja 10 minus 2 1 ja 1 3 ja 3, y equal to 7 by 2. Now check. LHS equal to y plus 3 by 2, 7 by 2 plus 3 by 2 LCM is 2 or same achi only add the numerator. 10 by 2 that is 5 equal to RHS. Clear? Next. And the last, complete the following statement with the correct terms or sign. To solve the equation x plus 3 equal to 8, we first add dash to the both side. If the question is first we subtract dash, then only 3. But here is addition. Addition means minus 3. When we add minus 3, then it will be cancelled. Yes or no? So answer is minus 3. Now, to solve the equation 9y equal to 72, we dash LHS and RHS by 9. That is divide. The solution. So multiply. When we multiply, then 3 cancel. So 5 into 3 that is 15. So answer is 15. To solve the equation 2x minus 3 equal to 6, first we add 3, then we divide by 2. The power of variable of linear equation is 1. Okay. So complete. I also complete the triangle chapter in one video, that is 42 minutes. If I not see, then you can see. So next, area and perimeter and the statistics I will also cover in this channel. So the channel को सब्सक्राइब करने पर्यंत सब्सक्राइब कर दियो, बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दियो, जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करी फर्स्ट तुमको नोटिफिकेशन शो करिवो. फॉर पीडीएफ देन यू कैन जॉइन माय व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. ओके, थैंक यू.